The Nazca Lines are a group of geoglyphs, which are large designs or motifs etched into the ground. These incredible formations have fascinated researchers and visitors alike for decades. They are located in the Nazca Desert in Peru, a region known for its arid climate and unique landscape. The desert is a high plateau, situated between the majestic Andes Mountains and the vast expanse of the Pacific Ocean. This unique geographical setting adds to the mystery and allure of the Nazca Lines. The Nazca Lines are made up of hundreds of designs, each one more intriguing than the last. These designs range from simple lines to complex figures that span large areas of the desert floor. Some of these geoglyphs are simple lines or geometric shapes which might seem straightforward but are incredibly precise and large in scale, while others are huge drawings of animals and plants, including figures of birds, fish, llamas, jaguars, and even human-like figures. These intricate designs showcase the artistic and cultural significance of the Nazca civilization. The lines were made by removing the reddish-brown surface rocks, a process that required meticulous planning and execution, which revealed the lighter-colored sand underneath. This contrast between the dark rocks and the light sand makes the designs visible from the air. The largest geoglyphs are over 200 meters long, stretching across the desert in a way that can only be fully appreciated from above. They are a UNESCO World Heritage Site, recognized for their cultural and historical importance. This designation helps to protect and preserve these ancient wonders for future generations. The Nazca Lines are one of archaeology's greatest mysteries. Despite extensive study, the purpose and meaning of these geoglyphs remain largely unknown. Some theories suggest they were used for astronomical or religious purposes, while others believe they were part of a complex irrigation system. Whatever their purpose, the Nazca Lines continue to captivate and inspire, drawing visitors from around the world to marvel at these ancient wonders. The Nazca people created the lines between 500 BCE and 500 CE. These lines, etched into the arid plains of Peru, have stood the test of time, enduring the harsh desert climate for centuries. The Nazca civilization, known for their advanced understanding of agriculture and irrigation, left behind one of the most enigmatic legacies in human history. We do not know how they did it with such precision. The lines stretch for miles, forming intricate patterns and shapes that can only be fully appreciated from the sky. Researchers have spent decades trying to unravel the methods used by the Nazca people, but the exact techniques remain elusive. The Nazca people did not have advanced technology, which makes the lines even more mysterious. They lacked the modern tools and machinery that we might assume necessary for such a feat. Yet they managed to create these vast geoglyphs with remarkable accuracy and scale. Some experts suggest they used simple tools and surveying techniques. By employing basic instruments like wooden stakes, ropes, and rudimentary measuring devices, the Nazca could have plotted out the lines with surprising precision. These methods, though primitive by today's standards, were highly effective. They may have used grids and ropes to measure and design the lines. This grid system would have allowed them to scale up their designs from smaller sketches, ensuring that the proportions remained consistent across the vast distances. Others theorized the Nazca had help. Some believed that the precision and scale of the lines suggest knowledge or assistance beyond what the Nazca could have achieved alone. Could they have had help from extraterrestrial beings? This theory, while controversial, has captured the imagination of many. The idea that ancient civilizations might have been visited by advanced beings from other worlds adds an extra layer of intrigue to the mystery. The sheer scale and complexity of the lines are impressive. Some of the geoglyphs span hundreds of feet, depicting animals, plants, and geometric shapes with astonishing clarity. The effort required to create these massive designs is almost unimaginable. It is difficult to imagine how they could have been created without some form of advanced knowledge. Whether this knowledge was homegrown or acquired through contact with other cultures or beings remains a topic of debate. The mystery of their creation continues to fascinate people worldwide. Visitors from around the globe come to marvel at the Nazca Lines, drawn by the allure of their enigmatic origins. Museums and exhibits dedicated to the Nazca civilization offer glimpses into their world, but the full story of the lines remains a tantalizing puzzle. There are many theories about the purpose of the Nazca Lines. These massive geoglyphs, etched into the arid plains of the Nazca Desert in Peru, have puzzled researchers and archaeologists for decades. Stretching over 80 kilometers, these lines form various shapes, from simple lines to complex figures of animals and plants. The sheer scale and precision of these designs have led to numerous speculations about their origin and purpose. Some researchers believe they had a ceremonial function. The discovery of ceremonial artifacts near the lines suggests that these geoglyphs might have played a significant role in the spiritual and religious practices of the Nazca people. These artifacts, ranging from pottery to intricate textiles, indicate a culture deeply connected to their environment and the cosmos. They might have been used in rituals related to water and fertility. The Nazca civilization thrived in one of the driest regions on Earth, making water a precious resource. The presence of water imagery on pottery and the discovery of ancient water channels suggest that the lines could have been part of elaborate rituals to invoke rain and ensure the fertility of their crops. The Nazca Desert is one of the driest places on Earth. With less than an inch of rainfall annually, the harsh and unforgiving landscape would have made survival a constant challenge. The Nazca people had to develop ingenious methods to harness and conserve water, and the lines might have been a part of these efforts. Water would have been extremely important to the Nazca people. The construction of aqueducts and wells demonstrates their advanced understanding of hydrology. The geoglyphs, with their intricate designs, might have been a way to honor the gods and spirits they believed controlled the water supply. Another theory suggests the lines were astronomical markers. The Nazca people were keen observers of the sky, and some researchers believe that the lines were used to track celestial events. The alignment of certain geoglyphs with the positions of stars and constellations supports this theory. They might have aligned with important stars or constellations. By mapping the heavens, the Nazca could have used the lines to mark significant astronomical events, such as solstices and equinoxes. This would have been crucial for agricultural planning and religious ceremonies. This would have allowed the Nazca to track the seasons and the movements of the heavens. Understanding the cycles of the sun, moon and stars would have been essential for predicting seasonal changes and ensuring the success of their agricultural activities. These theories are still debated. Despite extensive research and numerous studies, the true purpose of the Nazca Lines remains elusive. Scholars continue to explore new angles and technologies to uncover the secrets of these ancient markings. The true purpose of the Nazca Lines remains a mystery. As we delve deeper into the past, we may one day uncover the full story behind these enigmatic geoglyphs. Until then, the Nazca Lines continue to captivate and intrigue, standing as a testament to the ingenuity and spirituality of an ancient civilization. Among the most famous geoglyphs are the hummingbird, the condor, and the astronaut. These figures are instantly recognizable. Their size and detail are impressive. The hummingbird, with its long beak and delicate wings, seems to be frozen in mid-flight. The condor, with its enormous wingspan, is a powerful symbol of the sky. The astronaut, a humanoid figure with large eyes and a strange helmet, has fueled speculation about alien visitors. Each figure likely held a specific meaning for the Nazca people. Section 5. Unlocking secrets from above. Modern technology has revolutionized the study of the Nazca Lines. Aerial photography and satellite imagery have allowed researchers to document the lines in detail. They can now analyze their shapes, sizes, and arrangements. High-resolution cameras and three-dimensional modeling software have revealed previously unseen details. These new technologies have also led to the discovery of new geoglyphs. In 2019, over 140 new geoglyphs were discovered using artificial intelligence. These findings highlight the importance of continuing to explore and study this ancient wonder. Section 6. The Maria Reicher hypothesis. Maria Reicher dedicated her life to studying the Nazca Lines. She was a German mathematician and archaeologist. She was fascinated by the lines. She believed they were an astronomical calendar. She spent decades studying their alignments and patterns. Her research helped to bring the Nazca Lines to the attention of the world. She is remembered for her tireless work. Her dedication helped to preserve this incredible site for future generations. Section 7. Alien intervention. Some people believe the Nazca Lines were created with extraterrestrial help. They point to the lines' size and complexity as evidence. They suggest that the Nazca people could not have created them alone. Some even believe the lines were landing strips for alien spacecraft. While this theory is intriguing, there is no scientific evidence to support it. However, the possibility of alien intervention continues to capture the imagination. Section 8. The Nazca Lines today. The Nazca Lines are a fragile site. They are threatened by erosion, pollution, and human activity. The Peruvian government is working to protect the lines. They have implemented measures to limit tourism and development in the area. They are also working to educate the public about the importance of preservation. The Nazca Lines are a reminder of the ingenuity and creativity of ancient cultures. They are a testament to the enduring power of human imagination. It is our responsibility to protect this unique site for future generations. Section 9. Mysteries yet to be solved. The Nazca Lines continue to intrigue and inspire us. They remind us that there is still much we do not know about the past. Many questions remain unanswered. Why were the lines created? What do they mean? How were the Nazca people able to create such complex designs with such precision? Further research is needed to unlock the secrets of the Nazca Lines. New discoveries await those who are brave enough to explore the unknown. Perhaps one day we will finally unravel the mystery of these ancient wonders.